Hey crew, Artisan Pirate here. Welcome back to the channel. Now, if you all remember, it was around 2 years ago we cleaned out this storage shed. I found a compilation of clips and put them together in a nice video where it just documented cleaning out this old storage shed. And it has worked out phenomenally for me being able to put bigger pieces of material here. But just like I'm sure a lot of you out there in the big wide world, it has slowly become a catch-all. When I would complete a project in the workshop, I would just take the scraps and just open the door and throw them in. And just over the past year or so, it's just got so cluttered. So I just thought it would be cool to bring you all along this morning while we reorganized the storage shed that's attached to the workshop. And I'm going to begin just by grabbing some stuff and sitting it out here in the yard. It's a beautiful day. We are out here early in the morning to avoid the heat and humidity of the later afternoon after lunchtime. But let me just start getting some of this stuff out. Have an electric chainsaw here, and I replaced it with the Craftsman chainsaw, and I've had this a while, so I can now throw that box out and potentially get rid of that other little chainsaw. Got a handheld pole saw here that was my grandfather's. This is a hammock I picked up for a good deal. It's got the full stand on it, so everything's all enclosed in that package so it stays nice and protected. Got a big piece of wood here I can set aside. And again, people just give me stuff, and I'm one of those people, I can't bear to see good material, usable material, to just be thrown away. We went to the local builder's discount and got more of the cedar fence pickets to use for projects. Remember, when you get these at builder's discount, they're around $2 as US currency, and they are very wet, very green because they store them outside. So they have been in this shed now probably about a month. So they are nice and dry now. Just an old piece of pipe here. And this is something I would love to get set up. I got this at the North Carolina Woodworkers Picnic, and it is a full lumber rack. So hopefully, I doubt I'll do it in this video, but what I'd love to do is get the lumber rack mounted to where I can put like full pieces of pine shelving board and full 2x4s in here to where they're not just leaning up against the building or something. I can see this is going to involve a lot of careful work and maneuvering. So what I'm going to do now is just switch into the traditional time-lapse portion, and I'll do a little narration over it. And I was not going to bore you all with cleaning everything out in real time here. I've just sped the footage up some, and I'm narrating over it, getting everything cleaned out to where we can at least get in and out of the building. And again, it is totally 100% my fault that the building got this cluttered after we cleaned it up last time. I'm one of those people that, like, once I get done with the project, I just want to clean everything up really quickly and move on to the next one. So I end up just basically tossing everything in here and shutting the door and moving on in the actual workshop. But as I was cleaning out here and organizing stuff, I was getting some ideas as to how I wanted to proceed with cleaning up, especially with this lumber rack that I have now. I kept looking up to see where the best place for it would eventually be. And again, just getting stuff out here And when I put everything back, I will, of course, organize it a lot better. If you guys like what you're seeing, I would highly encourage you to subscribe to the channel and also follow me across all my social media feeds under the Artisan Pirate name. I'd really appreciate the support. Here's a little 6-foot ladder we have for just trimming low hanging branches and things like that. Staying hydrated in the warmer weather as I continue to move things around and spread them out in the yard so I can basically visually catalog all of the stuff that we do have on hand to organize. Hopefully that makes sense. But I'm almost done here, and we will switch back to the real-time footage. Okay, I've pretty much gotten a lot of the stuff pulled out, as you can see here, and we're going to actually go into the building now. You can see here, now that everything's out, there's a lot of space, but I've still got a lot to do. Where I think I'm going to end up putting that lumber rack is right there where the cornhole boards are. We just hung them there to where they would just be out of the way. I can find another place to put those and hopefully put that lumber rack there. I've also got this scroll saw here that I'm going to donate to someone who needs it. I don't need it. I've got multiple scroll saws. There's this Harbor Freight belt and disc sander. It was the very first belt and disc sander I had. My mom got this for me for, I think, a Christmas present one year, and I used it so much with the compound cut keychains. But now that I have the rigid oscillating belt and spindle sander, I kind of no longer need that little green Harbor Freight one. So again, it's just a matter of cleaning and reorganizing. And crew, I was not really planning to put that up this morning, but I'm one of those people, once I get into a job and get going and get a good rhythm going, I can see the finish line, so to speak. So I just went ahead and put them up. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'd like to thank my friend Matt Holloway at NC Woodworkers for these. He donated them to the NC Woodworkers picnic, and I give a donation to the NC Woodworkers, and I ended up with them. Now I've got to find a place to hang the cornhole boards, because if you can see, this is just a dirt floor. So if we do have a lot of rain in the area, it doesn't happen very often, but if we do, the way the land is kind of coming down towards this building, so it could have potential to draw moisture. So I do want to get those hung up. But I am happy I got the lumber rack up. Let me start putting stuff back in and reorganizing. Crew, I am so happy with how this is turning out and all this extra room. Now granted, I've still got to organize everything and put it back in here and put what can go on the lumber rack on it, but I moved the cornhole boards down. There is a loft up there with a few things in it, so I can still get the ladder right here. I didn't want nothing coming out of the wall. I did want to put the lumber rack there in the far back, but right here, as you can see with where the loft is, you know, this is the perfect place to put it. I hung the 2 all-metal sawhorses here and just doing some much needed cleaning and organization. Let me start putting stuff back and we'll be one step closer to closing this video. And crew, I cannot tell you all how happy I am with the floor space we have now. We can easily open the door, walk in, pick up a piece of material. My buddy Jerry Meismer gave me this walnut. I can't remember who gave me this cedar, but they were just going to throw it away with this beautiful grain texture. These decking boards here were just on the side of the road. Someone redone their deck and was just going to throw those out. And Jerry also gave me this big laminated piece here. It's very, very heavy. But everything is now nice and organized, and I absolutely love it. Very, very happy with this morning's work in the storage shed behind the workshop that we do all the scroll saw project and other woodworking videos in. Thank you all for following along this morning. It is just a beautiful, at the time of this video's recording, spring morning here in Burlington, North Carolina. And I just love how this all turned out. Much needed organization. And again, I will freely admit that it is my fault 110% that the storage shed got as cluttered as it did. I'm one of those, when I get done with a project, I'm ready to jump right into the next one, then the next one, then the next one. So I was just coming out here, opening the door, throwing what was left over in here, and moving on to the next project, so to speak. But I'm glad I took around 2 hours this morning to clean this storage shed out. And I want to once again thank my buddy Matt Holloway at NC Woodworkers for the lumber rack I picked up back at the NC Woodworkers annual picnic. This past year it was in McLeansville at the National Guard Armory. Who knows where it will be next year, hopefully in the same location, but it's always great to pick up something new, and in my opinion it looks like that lumber rack was made for that area. And I'm really looking forward to getting a lot of use out of it, because when I pick up sheet goods or 2x4s, 2x6s, whatever I need, I hardly ever need the entire piece in one given time. And you all know floor space is at a premium in the workshop itself. So this is logically where I store everything. And now when I cut something and get what I need off of it, I can easily lay it up here on the lumber rack, as opposed to leaning it against the wall with the rest of the lumber. There's still a lot of material leaning against the wall, because again, I'm one of those, I can just not bear to throw stuff away. Or if someone says, hey, you want this piece of material here from an older project, I'm one of those that I've got to take it because I see potential in it. But anyway, I thank you all for following along, and I hope today's video hopefully encouraged you all to maybe get out in your garage, your workshop, your storage shed, your storage unit, and maybe do some much needed cleaning. Staying hydrated here now that the warmer weather is upon us. That's going to be about all for this one, crew. And if you're new to the channel, hopefully you'll click that subscribe button and follow me across all my social media feeds under the Artisan Pirate name. As always, links to contact me as well as all my social media feeds will always be linked down in the description box below these videos. That's about all for this one, crew. And remember, if I can make it or do it, so can you all. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you all real soon. I'm just going to go hang out in here now.